Hello sir, this is our group representation, Renewable Energy on Board Ships Exploring Sustainable Solution in Maritime Transport, Group 3. Introduction. The maritime industry contributes significantly to global greenhouse gas emissions. The International Maritime Organization, according to IMO, has set ambitious target to reduce these emissions. This report explored the potential of renewable energy solutions, such as wind, solar, and hybrid propulsion systems, along with energy storage technologies for maritime applications. Wind propulsion system. Modern advancement in wind power offer improved efficiency of maritime transport. Key technologies include rotor sails, kite system, and modernized traditional sails.
Wind propulsion system key technologies. Rotor sails, compact and efficient, providing thrust in variable wind conditions. Kite system, generate forward thrust with large tethered kites, especially in high winds. Modernized sail, advanced materials and control system, enhance performance.
Solar propulsion system key approaches. Deck-mounted panels provide auxiliary power but may face space and shading limitations. Integrated panels embedded in superstructures or hold for efficiency. Hybrid solar wind system. Combined solar and wind for robust energy solution. Hybrid propulsion system. Hybrid system integrate renewable energy with conventional engine, offering reduced fuel consumption, extended operation range in favorable condition, provided overall efficiency.
Energy storage solutions. Energy storage is crucial for renewable systems. Promising technologies include batteries high energy density but costly, fuel cells efficient but require hydrogen structure, flywheels sustainable but lower energy density. Bye. Thank you.
And challenges and future outlook. Challenges: high initial investment costs, technological limitation in maritime environments, underdeveloped maintenance and refueling infrastructure. Future outlook: advancing technology and supportive policies will accelerate adoption.
In conclusion, renewable energy integration is essential for sustainable maritime transport. With research, innovation, and investment, the maritime industry can significantly reduce emissions.